Okay, good morning, my dear children. Welcome to our online classes and welcome to our social studies. Coming to the last topic, we discussed about the energy from the sun. Okay, coming to the recapitalization, I will say only the important points of what I told up to now in this lesson. First of all, I told about the solar energy. What I mean by solar energy? The energy which is constantly emitting from the sun is called solar energy. Very, very important. Coming to the radiation, when a body gives out energy, giving out of the energy is called radiation. And next we discussed about the insolation. Okay, the solar radiation received on the surface of earth is called insolation. And whatever the solar energy is coming towards the earth, it receives only a small portion of about 1/3 only. Remaining of the rays will reflected back and goes into the atmosphere. Okay, this is also very, very important. Next we discuss about the angle of incidence. Okay, what I mean by angle of incidence? Very, very, very important, children. Okay, when a sunrise falls 90 degrees on equator, then the sun rays will fall slantingly towards the poles. It is called angle of incidence. Angle of incidence increases in the November and December in the north side, and it decreases in the May and June. Already I told that we have a more intense in equatorial region, but when it comes in the midday, it becomes cloudy. That is why what I am saying is that okay, equatorial region is not warm. Okay, we have less temperature than the equatorial north and south. Okay, we have a less temperature in equatorial region than the equatorial north and equatorial south. Coming to the next, we discussed about the land and water. Land means I told fast heating, fast cooling. Coming to the water, late heating and late cooling. That is why when the afternoon came in the summer, we feel uncomfortable. Then those who are living near to the sea, they are going towards the beach. Okay, because we have a low temperature. The water will not be heated very easily, very fast, very quickly. That is why they are going towards the beach. But when it have a evening, then the land part become cool and the water part will become continuously heating. At that time we are going towards the land part. Coming to the next, what we have told, whatever the sun rays came towards the earth, then after heating the earth surface only, it radiated back and heated into the atmosphere. That is why while I am living in Kamarpilli, some our friends living in Himachal Pradesh, then Hyderabad, they feel very cool than ours. Why? Because the Hyderabad is located 600 meters height than the sea level. Himachal Pradesh is located 2200 meters of height than the sea level. When the height decreases, the temperature decreases. And I told about the heat balance, very, very important. Whatever the sun rays come towards the earth's surface and reflected back, for example, if they are not reflected, then the overheating takes place in the land part, that the life cannot exist in our earth. If even the reflected is more, then we feel very cool in our region. That is why the sun rays which are coming from the sun is maintaining the balance. And next we discussed about the global warming. Increasing of the CO2 in the atmosphere is called global warming. By using of the petrol, diesel and deforestation, cutting of the forest is called deforestation. The global warming was increasing day by day. I am saying to the children, okay, you plant a tree. Once again I am saying, compulsory you should plant a tree, because it is our rule to keep a plant, at least one plant for hours. Okay, we have to save the world, save the nature. About the last topic, coming to the today's topic, we will discuss about the new topic, temperature of atmosphere. What is the topic? The temperature of atmosphere. Okay, children, I told what is meant by atmosphere. Okay, the air part is called atmosphere, and I explained almost 78% we have nitrogen gas in the atmosphere. Okay, you see the textbook. What they are saying? They given a box. Bring a Celsius thermometer. Okay, bring a Celsius thermometer in our class. Celsius thermometer used to measure the temperature. If you get a fever while you are going to the hospital, they are keeping thermometer in your mouth, okay, to record the temperature. Note down what the temperature is showing in the thermometer. Okay, firstly you bring the Celsius thermometer into the class. Then first of all you note down what is the temperature at present in the Celsius thermometer. That is the temperature of air in your class. In the textbook they given the box. You have to measure that water in a bucket. What is the guess temperature, and you have to measure maximum in the water in the bucket. We have 25 to 35 degrees Celsius. We have temperature in the bucket. Come to the next. What they are given? Ice. When the water will become ice in 0 degrees Celsius. Very important. In 0 degrees Celsius, the water will become ice. Glass of cold water we have almost 10 to 15 degrees Celsius. Come to the next. Warm bath water we have almost 70 to 80 degrees Celsius. Maximum not saying up to 70 to 80 we have. Up to in the middle 70 to 80 degrees Celsius. Okay, it is safe to bring the big thermometer. Okay, 10 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius. By using the Celsius thermometer, you measure the temperature for a week. In every month, you can find out the variation in temperature in our place. Okay, in summer season you can find a high temperature. In winter season it will be down. Okay, you can see the variations of temperature in our region. And they given another box. You can do each day. You can measure each day of the temperature, and you have to record in that columns. First of all, they given the place, time, and they have given the month and a date they given, and you have to guess the temperature and actually what is the temperature. You have to do every day. Like this, record the temperature in every day for a weeks. By using this, you have to measure the temperature of a day for a week and some months, and you have to you can calculate the maximum temperature in a week by calculating the daily maximum temperatures. For example, Monday 22 degrees Celsius, Tuesday 23, Wednesday 28, Thursday 23. Then you have to calculate Friday 21, Saturday 23, Sunday 20. Then you have to calculate this total, and you have to do by 7. By this you can calculate the average temperature in a week. This is about the temperature of atmosphere. What I told, bring a Celsius thermometer to the class. Note down the temperature which is present in the Celsius thermometer. Whatever you note down, that is the temperature of air in your class. And they given the column, you have to guess that one. And you also can measure the daily temperature for a week and for months. And you can calculate the average temperature in a week. I told, for example, 20 places. Okay, in Monday 20, Tuesday 20, Thursday 25, Monday 20, Tuesday 20, Wednesday 25, Thursday 25, Friday 30, Saturday 30, Sunday 20. Then you have to calculate this one total. 170 by how many days? 7 days. By 7. 7 1 almost the average temperature is 24.2 degree Celsius. Like this you can calculate the weekly temperature, weekly maximum temperature is one. not the minimum. Weekly maximum temperature you can calculate. You can calculate the minimum temperature also by calculating the total minimum temperature in a week. We can get the minimum temperature for a week. Now we completed about the temperature of atmosphere. Coming to the next topic, high and low temperatures. High and low temperatures. Okay, in this the bit will come in your exams. Not only the bits, not only in these exams, in competitive exam also there is a chance to get the bits in this topic. Okay, the scientists are pointed out that maximum and minimum temperature on our earth. Where is the maximum temperature on the earth? Okay, maximum temperature is in Azizia, in a country of Libya, in which in July 1922. Okay, what is the temperature? 57.8 degrees Celsius. Very, very, very important, children. Okay, the maximum temperature is in our earth is Azizia of country Libya. What is the capital city of Libya, children? Tripoli. Tripoli, in which in July 1922. So what is the temperature? 57.8 degree Celsius. Coming to the next, minimum temperature. Minimum temperature. Minimum temperature. In where? In Vostok. In Vostok station. In where our Vostok station is in Antarctica. Antarctica is a continent which is located on the south of our earth. What is the temperature? Minus 89.2 degree Celsius. When it is recorded? In July 1983. Where the maximum temperatures occurred? In Azizia of Libya country. What is the capital city of Libya? Tripoli. What is the maximum temperature which is measured in Azizia? 57.8 degree Celsius. Coming to the minimum temperature, it is in Vostok station in Antarctica. Minus 89.2 degrees Celsius. See, in 0 degrees Celsius only, we have the water will become ice. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 10, minus 20, minus 30, minus 40, minus 89 degrees Celsius. Minus 89.2 degrees Celsius are present in the Antarctica. See, if you are present in this Antarctica, if you want to drink a hot water, while you are taking out of the hot water, within a fraction of seconds, the hot water will become the ice. If you look at the Siachen mountains, which are located in north of our India, our army is doing the security in the border region. They have the minus degree Celsius. Even in the minus degree Celsius also, our army doing security for us. That what we have doing? We are playing everywhere. It's not good. Okay, we have to help the poor. We have to become a role model to the society. Okay, next, when a water reaches into 100 degrees Celsius, the water will become boiling. You ask the question. The boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius. Similarly, when the water will become 0 degrees Celsius, it will become ice. Okay, it will become ice. Okay, which is the lowest minimum temperature? Minus 273.16 degrees Celsius. Very, very, very important, children. Minus 273.16 degrees Celsius is the lowest minimum temperature. What is the lowest minimum temperature in our Earth? Minus 89.2 degrees Celsius, which is Vostok station in Antarctica in July 1983. Which is the minimum lowest temperature at last, that one only. After that one, there's nothing is there. Minus 273, minus 273.16 degrees Celsius is the minimum lowest temperature. Okay, this is very, very, very important children. They will ask in the beta, which is the lowest minimum temperature. Minus 273.16 degrees Celsius plus 273.16 degrees Celsius, and they give you minus 89.2 degrees Celsius minus 106.2 degrees Celsius. What is the answer? Minus 273.16 degrees Celsius. And they will ask this one also. Here the bit will come where the maximum temperature occurs in Azizia. What is the maximum temperature which has occurred in our earth? 57.8 degrees Celsius. What is the minimum temperature which was occurred in our earth? Minus 89.2 degrees Celsius. They will ask the year also. Okay, very, very important children this topic. When the water became 100 degrees Celsius, it will become boiling. When the normal water becomes 0 degrees Celsius, it freezes into ice. Okay, you know about this scale. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Okay, this is about the scale. When the temperature is below 0 degrees, means below 0 degrees, it is recorded in the minus. Okay, minus. Below 0 degrees means minus. In Antarctica, below 0 degrees, already in the 0 degrees, the water will become ice. Then in the Antarctica, minus 89. See how much cool there is it. The sunshine will not come. If the sunshine will come, it will come the normal and it goes away. You have to know. And they given some questions in the box. Which temperature is higher? Minus 5 plus 5. Which is the high temperature? Yes. 5 is the answer. Plus 5 is the highest temperature than the minus 5. See, 0 to below only na. Again less, 0 to less. These are all 0 to we have less. Okay, you have to know. Given next question, how many degrees are different from minus 5 to plus 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 degrees are difference between minus 5 to plus 5. They given some questions. 88 degree below 0. Question 88 degree below 0. Then you have to write below means I told this one is below. Means what is the answer? Minus 88 degrees Celsius. Okay, below means after the 0. Okay, 88 degrees below 0 means back side below. Again low, 0 to low. Next, they given 38 degrees above freezing. Means above freezing means ice, minus 38. Again above. This is a below, this is a above. Means again 38 degrees Celsius only. Above freezing, after freezing. And also next they given 32 degrees below freezing means below. They ask here we have above means plus 38. Here they ask below, same freezing ice only. Minus 32 degrees Celsius. Like this you have to understand. Whatever they given the remaining questions, you have to do that one. Okay children, just now we completed the high and low temperatures. Coming to the next, recording temperatures. Okay, we can measure the highest and lowest temperature in a day by using the 6 maximum minimum thermometer. Okay, I am writing here. You write down in the notes by using 6 very, very important children. 6 maximum thermometer. We can measure the highest and lowest temperatures. Okay, by using the 6 maximum minimum thermometer, we can measure the highest and lowest temperature of a place. By calculating the maximum temperature in a week or month, we can get the average maximum temperature. We can get the average maximum temperatures. Okay, by calculating the maximum temperatures of week or month, we can get the average maximum temperature in a week or month. Similarly, if you calculate the minimum temperature of a week or month, you can get the average minimum temperature of a week or month. And in the textbook they given the maximum and minimum temperature of the Hyderabad. Okay, and they given the graph and they computed the maximum temperature. How to find the minimum temperature? By using the table. How to compute the minimum temperature in a graph? By using the minimum temperature of Hyderabad in a given table. And they given some questions. You should find out by seeing the table or the graph. Okay, what I told. Okay, by using the 6 maximum and minimum thermometer, we can measure the highest and lowest temperature in a given place. By calculating the maximum temperature in a week or monthly, we can calculate the average maximum temperature in a week or month. Similarly, by calculating the monthly or week minimum temperature, we can calculate the average minimum temperature in a week or month. Come to the next. Different places have different temperature. Different places have different temperatures. Okay, coming to the last topic in this study class, different places have different temperatures. Already we have discussed. Then why we have different places? We have different temperature in different places. It depends because of so many reasons. Depend on the latitudes, depend on the winds, depend on the rainfall, depend on the high and low places, depend on the near to the sea and far away from the sea. A lot of reasons we have. Places which are near to the sea and far away from the sea have different temperatures. Okay, near to the sea, places which have near to the sea and far away from sea. Okay, the places which have near to the sea and far away from sea, we have a different temperature. Similarly, the places which have on the top of the mountain, foot of mountain. Okay, on the top of mountain and the foot of mountain. Similarly, as we go from equator to the north and south, if we go from equator to north or equator to south, the temperature decreases. Okay, this is about the topic. Different places have different temperatures. What they are saying. Okay, as you already know about the different places have different temperatures, but then what is the reason? Depends on the winds, it depends on the rainfall, it depends on the latitudes. If you go from equator to the north and south, the temperature decreases. From mountain up to mountain down, we have difference in temperature. From near to the sea to the near to the far away from the sea, we have different types of temperatures. Okay, children, this is the topic.